What's up, Alta? I just want to say we've had a pretty dope year so far. From popping off at football games, getting lit at dances, to everything in between. It couldn't have been better. Unfortunately, our school year's been cut a little short. What's important is that rather than a disappointment, we see this as an opportunity. An opportunity to be grateful for what we've been given and grow beyond our circumstances. Even though we're not playing sports, I want you to know we're still athletes. Athletes who push through the pain in order to get stronger. Even though we're not at prom, we're still dancing. Dancing with a positive mindset through the situation we've been given. Even though we're not hanging out, we're still together. Together in this effort to push through the very thing that's taken what we so very loved away from us. And even though we aren't at school, we're still Hawks. Remember that.
Hey Hawk Nation, what's up? This is Dr. McGill here. I just want to let you guys know that my heart resides with you too. It's been really hard seeing the hallways lifeless, the school lifeless. You guys are the heart, the spine, the soul, and the brains of this institution. And it's been really hard these past couple of weeks without having that social connection and having our 2,300 students here at school. My heart goes out to those individuals who were preparing for all the spring activities. And our dance company had a concert, choir, band, debate, state tournament, robotics, all of our spring sports, and all the other many activities that we have here at school. Just hang in there, stay with us. Hopefully we'll be back before the end of the year. One of the things you guys always hear me talk about is talking about how Alta's a family. I have the saying that we are family, we are one, we are Alta, and that truly holds close to my heart because believe it or not, when I was a student here, some of the very same teachers are the teachers that are still teaching here today. I decided to shoot this from the Alta weight room to give you guys a source of strength, a source to make sure that you guys are keeping your minds and your bodies healthy during this break, as that's where my life as it relates to strength training and preparing the mind and body all started. It was right here at Alta High School with Coach Harrington in a weight training class. Had Coach Brown for PE and several other teachers that were very instrumental and influential in my life. I just want to leave with you here today that we are a family, we are one, we are Alta. There's a lot of great positive things that are going to come through this in the long run, and I just want you guys to know that my heart, my mind, my soul is with all of you while we take this small break, but hopefully I'm staying optimistic that we can be back at some point and close out the school year. But I just want to send my regards out to Hawk Nation. Go Hawks!
Over the past few days, I've been asking you guys to send me videos of yourselves saying what you love about Alta. Here's some of the things that you guys said.
I love Alta because of all the amazing people there. I've made some of my bestest friendships there, and all the experiences have truly shaped me as a person.
Because it has the best people, and I've made such great friends, and I've had a lot of fun experiences and opportunities.
Because everybody is really kind and welcoming, so it makes it really easy to make friends.
And everyone always knows how to have a good time and stay positive and be really fun.
I love just tradition and unity that Alta has, and just everyone at Alta and all the teachers, administration, the students.
How involved and connected everyone can be with one another, whether it's through sports, clubs, or academics.
Because of all the amazing teachers that we have there, aka Strong.
We all support each other, and it really feels like one big family.
I'm able to be myself without being judged.
It just feels like home. Everyone's just so loving and there for each other, and I have never felt more love at any school than I do at Alta High School.
I love Alta because of the unity there. Being a Hawk means being part of a family.
We have the sickest people, and there's a place for everyone.
We have 2,000 of the best students who go there, and because of that, we are just the hypest school out there.
The people there are next level.
Because of the fun traditions and the inclusive people.
Because of all the amazing opportunities that we have to be involved.
We are skilled enough to be one big family. At Alta, we are one.
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 want to give a shout out to Tyson Fulton. He reached out to me and hit me up via email last night. He asked if I would say a few words. First thing I just want to make mention of is I want to thank our teachers. Our teachers have been working tirelessly, 12, 14, 16 hours a day, some of them. They had to convert everything over to a distance learning, Canvas online learning platform. Hopefully you guys are all benefiting from that to some degree. But my heart goes out to our teachers right now.